What's going on, guys? It's Matthew from Labor to Wealth, and I'm going to go ahead and jump into a quick TA video, understanding support and resistance, and how to build a range, and how to utilize that range for maximum profit-taking capabilities. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into um, the support range, okay? So the support range, I'm going to go ahead and draw out real simple and quick for you guys. Right now, I'm putting it at the bottom of that wick low right there, and I'm going to do a backfill box. So that my initial entry into the market is going to be that red initial line, which is right around 21,500. And this, which I'm going to change the color, this green box is my backfill box. So my initial entry into the market is going to be 21,500, and I'm going to ladder into my positions in that green box, and I'm going to set my stop loss right below that wick low there. That's my stop loss. So that's my setup for the bottom. My setup for the top and my resistance range is going to be the top of this wick here, okay, which is right around 22,000. So we have a resistance and we have a support. I'm going to bring this resistance level down just a little bit, just above the candle bodies. And I'm also going to do another fill box, but this time I'm going to do the fill box just above to that wick high there, right there. And I'm going to do the stop loss right above that to right there. And I'm going to change this color to red. So green down here, support, red up here is resistance, and this line here is stop loss, and this line here, stop loss. So what I just created is a range. And within that range, I isolated and broke down the support and the resistance, my stop loss potential at the top and my stop loss potential at the bottom, and where I should be entering and where I should be exiting, where I should be laddering into positions, and where I should be, focusing more on getting out or getting in, okay? So right now we are smack dab in the middle of the range. So we're exactly at 21,750, which is right between 22,000 and 21,500. We're smack dab in the middle. As a trader, you do not want to play in the middle of the ranges. You only want to play at the very top, or only want to play at the bottom. You do not want to get caught up at the very in the middle. Just doing this again. Sorry, does this every once in a while, and I have to reconnect and go through this whole little thing. So let me go ahead and jump right back into price action for you guys. Sorry about that. All right, so jumping back into price action, what I did by creating the support and resistance and the fill boxes is I created a range. This range is anywhere between 2 to 3%, if I am correct. Yeah, 3% range, and that's a very tradable range for BTC as well as alts. So with BTC in a very tradable range, alts are going to be in a very tradable range. And for you guys, as far as trading this is an extremely profitable trading setup. By you understanding support and you understanding your resistance, you are putting yourself as a trader in a best trading setup possible because you're understanding the way price action and volatility and momentum works. Okay, so right now we are within a range. Right now we're actually in the middle of the range. We're not playing this. We're waiting whether support hits or resistance get hits, and we're playing off that. Okay, CPI data comes out today. We're going to get that volatility spike whether we come to the very top of the range or we come to the bottom. We're going to be buying the supports and selling the resistances, and we're going to make sure we have a stop losses set before we enter the market. That way, if those stop losses do get triggered, we're only losing a percentage of our capital instead of a big chunk of our capital. And then once those stop losses are hit, we have to wait, take a step back, reevaluate what the price action is giving us, and then play to the next edge line, play to the next resistance, and play within the next structured range. Okay, so that's the quick TA video that I have for you guys today. Very simple, very short, but it's very punctual. And I believe that this video is pumped full of a lot of information. If you guys need to slow down the video, go back to the very beginning, um, you know, and understand exactly what I'm doing a little bit more, by all means. And if you guys are unsure of some things, or if I overlook something and I didn't analyze anything for you guys that you guys need to be analyzed, or you guys need me to go over anything, please be sure to leave those comments down below, and I'll be sure in the next video to go ahead and isolate those questions for you guys and give those answers to you guys. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video as short and sweet as possible. It's very easy to understand support and resistance and how to build ranges. However, as a trader, execution is key and execution is top priority. So again, don't play the middle, only play the bottom or the top of ranges to get you guys' best opportunity for maximum profit taking potential. Hope you guys have a beautiful day today. Stay humble, stay hungry, stay disciplined.